Where is the food? The food is on the plate. Where's the dog? The dog's on the sofa. Where's the tablet? The tablet's on the desk. Where's the elephant? The elephant's on the road. Where's the dog? The dog's on the chair. Where's the book? The book's on the ground. Where's the shopping trolley? The shopping trolley is on the laptop. Where's the laptop? The laptop's on the man's desk. Where's the dog? The dog's on the grass. Where's the clock? The clock's on the wall. Where are the pillows? The pillows are on the couch. Where's the hat? The hat's on the woman's head. Where's the jockey? The jockey's on the horse. Where's the woman? The woman's on her chair. Where's the man? The man's on the roof. Where's the man? The man's on the bench. Where's John? He's on the phone. Where's the woman? The woman's on a bed on the cloud. Where are the shops? The shops are on the ground floor. The shops are on the first floor. Where is the tablecloth? The tablecloth is on the table. Where are the billiards balls? The billiards balls are on the billiard table. Where are the books? The books are on the laptop. Where are the clothes? The clothes are on the bed. Where is the picture? The picture is on the wall.